Good morning, dear children. Last class we have completed chapter 1. Now, chapter 2, the name of the lesson is training method. So, what is training? Training means the process of preparation for a given task. But here, our main task is fitness and conditioning for sports and games. Without fitness, you can achieve the goal of success. You can do your best at the time of struggle. It is the only due to that this term is mostly used in sports and game. So the training which is best for games and sports, that is called sports training. The concept of training and sportsman's preparation concept of training and sportsman's preparation seem to coincident but are not identical. Preparation is broader both in volume and content. In fact, preparation is a complex process and directly influences the sportsman development and ensures the necessary degree of readiness for success. So, before doing any activity, we have to go for preparation. Because without preparation, if you will take part in any game, there must be a chance of injury. And there must be a chance of failure. So, preparation is must. And before taking part in any activity, training is must. So, all the sports persons, whenever we are taking for a particular skill, particular games, then we are going for warming up exercises and conditioning exercises. In order to warm up our body, and we are preparing, we are making ready for the further activity. So the complex system includes sports training, sports competitions, and special nutrition also. Sports training is the main component as the basic form of preparing the sportsman. In other words, it is systematically planned in preparation with the help of various exercises. The content of sports training includes all the basic types of training and the physical exercises which are used for training, and it is have an impressive effect on the physical development of an athlete. But the systematic and regular use of physical exercise doesn't ensure the further improvement in the performance. There are other factors which are necessary for good performance in games and sports, such as special rehabilitation treatments, use of supplementary extra training, extra competitions, means of assessment of performance capacity, special nutrition, and psychological factors, etc. In order to achieve the best result, all the above-mentioned factors are to be used along with the physical exercises. So, my dear children, only exercise is not enough. for a particular game, in order to attain the particular game, in order to attain a particular competition, not only warming up exercise and conditioning exercise is enough, but specific exercises and particular sports training is required for the particular game or sports. So, sports training must be understood as a specialized process of all-round physical conditions aimed at the preparation of sports persons for performance in games and sports. Sports training is a systematic and regular process which is generally used for a longer duration. Sports training should be based on scientific facts. If we want to get good results in competition, it is necessary. And if we will do that, it is possible. It should be based on the results of successful practices. So, my dear children, it can be said that sports training is based on scientific principles. It helps in participation for sportsmen for apex performance in sports competition. Sports training is a main element to get the highest achievements in sports, but highest achievement cannot be achieved only through the training. For this, other factors also play major roles. But it is sure that in preparing these sports persons, basically for high level competitions, sports training plays an important role.